Well, hey everybody, I am here in incredible, beautiful Telluride, Colorado. But that's not what this video is about. I'm here to tell you about Thrive Life's back to school sale coming at the end of the month. Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. This beautiful Colorado, Telluride, Colorado, that video will be coming out in a couple weeks and you'll be amazed. But the back to school sale, many of you have been asking about if we're going to have one this year. It's just been confirmed to me that yes, we will be having a back to school sale, but the dates have not yet been announced. So I don't know, but usually it's like the last weekend or the last 5 or 6 days of August. As soon as I know the details about it, I'll give you the dates and I'll let you know what will be on sale. But it's usually a pretty good sale. Oh, by the way, if you don't know what Thrive Life is, if you're new to this channel, Thrive Life is the freeze-dried food that we use, and we use it on a regular basis. And I have a playlist that I'll put right up here so you can see us using it. But this is a great time to stock up on Thrive because many times, now I don't know what they're going to do this time, but many times they have items up to 50% off. That's just really incredible. So as soon as I get more of the details, I'll let you know. Also, I want to say, if you've ever been considering becoming a Thrive Life consultant, owning your own business, this is a great time to do it because you can, if you sign up right now, you have time to get your feet on the ground and going a little bit before the sale starts. That way, when you start to introduce Thrive Life to all of your friends, you can do it with this incredible sale that we've got going. And some people sometimes start their business with a sale, and that gives them a leap up above everybody else because of the sale prices. So if you want to become a consultant, go to our website. The link is down below. Up at the top, you'll see a link that says join us. Follow through with the process. You can join for just $99 for the consultant starter kit. Plus you can add on extra food in addition to that at a discount. And if you do that, I will be here for you to give you all the training that you need. Also, Thrive has just, at 1st of August, updated and completely redone its commission plan, and they now have actually doubled the amount of commission that we as consultants make on every sale. So that's really incredible. So check out the Thrive Life website down below. Wait for the video where I announce the actual dates, and I hope you get excited about it. I'm always excited about these sales. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free.